Hello and welcome to the channel Stock Market. So today we are going to see three things in this video. The first is we are going to understand what is meant by market order and what is meant by limit order in Zerodha guide. So next one we are going to see is what is the disadvantages and advantages of using these two orders and the difference between these two. And third one is how to place that market order and limit order in Zerodha guide. So once you go to this window where after account opening you will be given a dashboard like this where you can see the list of stocks. So here when you try to buy a stock you will have two options, market order and limit order. So first let us try to understand that market order. So market order is nothing but when you go to market depth this side you can see the list of people bids and offers section. So bid means people who are trying to buy a stock at the particular price, so that is what it will be shown here. And offers means people who are willing to sell the stock at the particular price. So when you place a market order, actually I will show it with an example. What happens is your whatever the quantity that you placed will be bought at random prices, whatever the available price in the market. So this is called market depth, where people used to buy and sell. So it will be bought in different prices. So when I say it with an example you will understand. So let us say current market price of a particular stock is 500 and you want to buy this stock 100 quantity, okay, and the current market price is 500 and you want to buy 100 quantity. So you are trying to place a market order. So what happens is, you can see offers, people are trying to sell at these prices. So at 501 there are 40 quantity, one guy is willing to sell some around 40 quantity in 501. So next in 503 some 20 quantity is being sold, and 504 70 again 20, and here 505 again some 20 quantity people are selling. So when you place a market order for 100 quantities, let us say you are buying 100 quantities, so this this order will get executed in these different price ranges. So the average price will be 503.25 when you take an average. So 40 quantity will be bought in 501, 20 quantity will be bought in 503 price, 20 again to 504, and 20 other quantity will be 500. So when you see this, the average will be 503. You can see here in Excel at the bottom average. So the same average will be shown in your positions. Now when you mark to market, so current price is 500, which is at the market price, but since you place a market order, it had bought at different price that are available in the market, and it averaged to 503.25. When you take an average of this, it will show 50.35. So it had bought it. So now you are at 3 rupees loss when you mark it to market. So this is the disadvantages of placing a market order. So when you place a limit order and you specify exactly at what price you want to buy, only if that price matches and that quantity it will be executed, else it will be pending. So that is the difference between market and limit order. So when you are doing an intraday, you always need to place a limit order, because if you place a market order, you are already trying to make a profit within 50 paise or 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 1.5. If you place a market order in this situation, you will definitely showing it immediately, it will show in position will be shown in loss. So always be careful of placing a limit order when you are doing intraday trading. So I hope you got a clear idea of what is meant by market order and limit order. So if you still have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on 8072210003. So here again I show this thing where you can see current market price 379. So if you see, people will always try to buy less than the market price so that they make profit. So here if you see, people will always try to sell more than the market price so that they will make profit. This is like buying normal goods in any shop when in the markets like that. So this is how this is the thing of market and limiter. Hope you got a very good understanding. So if you want, I can again reiterate. So let me know if you have still any questions. You can WhatsApp me. Bye bye.